cosine of 0. First, let's understand what inverse cosine means. The inverse cosine function, also written as arccos, finds the angle whose cosine equals a given value. It's important to note that this angle must be in the range from 0 to pi radians. Let's visualize this on the unit circle. Here's our coordinate system, and here's our unit circle. We're looking for the angle theta, where the cosine of theta equals 0. Remember that on the unit circle, the cosine of an angle is the x-coordinate of the point where the angle's terminal side intersects the unit circle. When the cosine equals 0, the point must lie on the y-axis because that's where the x-coordinate is 0. In our range from 0 to pi, this occurs at pi over 2 radians or 90 degrees. At this angle, we can see that the x-coordinate is 0, which means the cosine is 0. Therefore, the inverse cosine of 0 equals pi over 2. We can verify this by taking the cosine of pi over 2, which we know equals 0. Let's summarize what we learned. The inverse cosine function finds the angle whose cosine equals a given value. When we're looking for the inverse cosine of 0, we're finding the angle whose cosine is 0. This angle is pi over 2 radians or 90 degrees. And that's how we find the inverse cosine of 0.